Hey people, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete a PicsArt project on Android. So first of all, go for your PicsArt app, then go for here in this plus icon. Now you can see this is my project draft. Then just press on it and tap on delete project. So you can see that's how you can delete a PicsArt project on Android. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.